The best foods to build muscle include items high in protein and low in saturated fat, but don't leave out carbohydrates and fats. You'll want a balanced diet and a good exercise plan for the best results. Both nutrition and physical activity are critical if you want to gain lean muscle. It's essential to challenge your body through physical activity, but without proper nutritional support, your progress will stall. High-protein foods are very important for gaining muscle, but carbohydrates and fats are also necessary sources of energy. If your goal is to gain lean muscle, you should focus on exercising regularly and eating more calories each day from muscle-building foods. Eggs contain high-quality protein, healthy fats, and other important nutrients like B vitamins and choline. Proteins are made up of amino acids, and eggs contain large amounts of the amino acid leucine, which is particularly important for muscle gain. B vitamins are also critically important for a variety of processes in your body, including energy production. Salmon is a great choice for muscle building and overall health. Each 3-ounce serving of salmon contains about 17 grams of protein, 1.5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, and several important B vitamins. Omega-3 fatty acids play an important role in muscular health and may even increase muscle gain during exercise programs. Chicken breasts are considered a staple for gaining muscle because they are packed with protein. Each 3-ounce serving contains about 26.7 grams of high-quality protein. Chicken breasts also contain generous amounts of the B vitamins, niacin, and B6, which may be particularly important if you're active. These vitamins help your body function properly during the physical activity necessary for optimal muscle gain. Some research has shown that higher protein diets containing chicken may aid in fat loss. Greek yogurt contains high-quality protein and a mixture of fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein protein. Some research has shown that people experience increases in lean mass when they consume a combination of fast and slow-digesting dairy proteins. Greek yogurt often contains approximately double the amount of protein as regular yogurt. While Greek yogurt is a good snack anytime, eating it after a workout or before bed may be beneficial due to its mixture of fast and slow-digesting proteins. Tuna provides 20 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, along with high amounts of vitamin A and several B vitamins, including B12, niacin, and B6. These nutrients are important for optimal health, energy, and exercise performance. Additionally, tuna provides large amounts of omega-3 fatty acids, which may support muscle health. Research has shown that omega-3 fatty acids can slow the loss of muscle mass and strength that occurs with age. Lean beef is packed with high-quality protein, B vitamins, minerals, and creatine. Some research has even shown that consuming lean red meat can increase the amount of lean mass gained with weight training. Even when you're trying to gain muscle, it's best to choose beef that supports muscle gain without providing too many extra calories. For example, 3 ounces of 70% lean ground beef contains 235 calories and 16 grams of fat, whereas the same amount of 95% lean ground beef contains slightly more protein with only 148 calories and 6 grams of fat. Shrimp are almost pure protein. Each 3-ounce serving contains 19 grams of protein, 1.44 grams of fat, and 1 gram of carbs. While healthy fats and carbs are important in your overall diet, adding some shrimp is an easy way to get muscle-building protein without too many additional calories. Like many other animal proteins, shrimp contains a high amount of the amino acid leucine, which is necessary for optimal muscle growth. Soybeans are a great plant-based source of protein. Half a cup of cooked soybeans contains 16 grams of protein, healthy unsaturated fats, and several vitamins and minerals. Soybeans are a particularly good source of vitamin K, iron, and phosphorus. Iron is used to store and transport oxygen in your blood and muscles, and a deficiency can impair these functions. People who menstruate may be particularly at risk of iron deficiency due to blood loss during their cycle. Cottage cheese is another excellent source of protein. 1 cup of low-fat cottage cheese packs 28 grams of protein, including a hearty dose of the important muscle-building amino acid leucine. High-fat versions have more calories, so choosing the best type depends on how many extra calories you want to add to your diet. Regardless of which type you choose, it's a great muscle-building snack. Turkey breast is another lean protein source. A 3-ounce serving of turkey breast contains around 26 grams of protein and almost no fat or carbs. Turkey is also a good source of the B vitamin niacin, which helps process fat. Having optimal levels of B vitamins could help you gain muscle over time by supporting your body's ability to exercise. Tilapia is another protein-packed seafood item. A single fillet provides around 23 grams of protein, along with good amounts of vitamin B12 and selenium. Vitamin B12 is important for the health of your blood cells and nerves, allowing you to perform the exercise you need to gain muscle. Beans are an excellent plant-based protein source. Many different types of beans, such as black, pinto, and kidney beans, contain around 15 grams of protein per cup of cooked beans. They are also rich in fiber, B vitamins, magnesium, phosphorus, and iron. Because of these nutrients, beans are a great addition to a diet for lean muscle gain and overall health. Protein powders can be a useful supplement. While any good diet should focus on whole foods, there are times when dietary supplements can be beneficial. If you have trouble getting enough protein from food alone, you could consider adding protein shakes to your daily routine. Dairy protein powders such as whey and casein are among the most popular, but other protein powders use soy, pea, beef, or chicken protein. Quinoa is a plant-based complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. In addition to being high in protein, quinoa is also a good source of complex carbohydrates, which help provide the energy needed for muscle-building workouts. By incorporating these muscle-building foods into your diet and following a consistent exercise routine, you can maximize muscle growth and overall health. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel